Hi everyone, my name is Nam. Today I'm gonna talk about my career roadmap. Basically, there are two types of goals that I want to achieve in my career. The first one is short-term goals, which are goals that I want to achieve 5 years after graduation. Obviously, after graduate, I really want to find a job to get real hands-on experience. Specifically, I really want to work in consulting or financial analyst. The reason that I want to work um, in these industries is because they relate to my major, which is finance and international business. And right now, I really feel a strong passion for consulting and financial analyst. Second, after 1 or 2 years working in real life, I want to advance my career, improve my knowledge by getting a master degree, and lastly, um, before I turn 30, I really want to develop my own startup company. I will use the experience I get from working in consulting, in financial analyst, and as well as my knowledge from undergrad and graduate school to support my company. Second, I want to talk about my long-term goals. So basically, there's only two goals that I want to achieve for my whole life. The first one is financial independence. This is because from my opinion, I believe that I don't work for money. I want to make money work for me. Um, I believe that money is only a tool that helps me achieve my freedom to do whatever I want. And second, I want to make my country, make Vietnam a better place with a strong economy, high standard of living, and most importantly, sustainable environment. Thank you for listening.